because hours after Rahul Gandhi met Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia, Union Minister and former Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal has now made a big claim. He's been reacting to the meeting. The picture that you see came in from that meeting that was held with the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha. Manohar Lal, the former Chief Minister of Haryana and a current BJP MP, has been saying that this proved that the wrestlers' protest was politically motivated. He says that the wrestlers who were caught in a political trap, now with their meeting with Rahul Gandhi to seek a political ticket, to seek an election ticket possibly, it has now become obvious.
देखिए, कुल मिला के एक राजनीतिक चक्र में मैं समझता हूँ हमारे वो साथी खिलाड़ी हैं उसमें फंसे थे, उस समय फंसे थे। आज उसका पटाक्षेप हो रहा है कि वही लोग आज मिलकर के कांग्रेस के नेताओं के साथ टिकट की गुहार कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब ये है कि वो जो सारा विषय था वो राजनीति से ओतप्रोत था। उस समय तो एकदम इसको शायद इतनी साफ गोई से कोई नहीं कह सकता था, लेकिन आज तो साफ गोई हो गई।
Now we talk about the former Chief Minister's remarks that are coming at a time when there are speculations of Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia possibly entering or taking the political plunge on a Congress ticket. Both of them who had participated in the protest against the former BJP MP and then WFI Chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, who faced charges of allegedly sexually harassing women wrestlers.
इस नामों में क्या विनेश फोगाट और बजरंग पूनिया है? कोई सब कमेटी बनी है?
उसमें विनेश फोगाट या बजरंग पूनिया का नाम नहीं है। उसके बारे में भी मैं समझ रहा हूँ परसों तक कोई क्लैरिटी हो जाएगी।
All right. So that has been the claim that has now been made. Of course, there have been certain reports that have been coming in that Amandeep possibly when it comes to the seats that may have almost been decided, but it is not confirmed yet on part of the Congress party, or even when it comes to the two wrestlers that if they will be contesting the upcoming Haryana elections. But what do these pictures talk about when this meeting has happened? The BJP calling it as the protest as politically motivated.
Well, absolutely, Amita. This is the visible indications and evidences that are proving that somewhere down the line, these wrestlers are engaging with the political leaders, especially with the Congress party. And in fact, if we just track the sequence of events, Vinesh Fogart landed in India, touched down at Delhi airport. She was being received by Randeep Hooda. And in fact, an open rally was done with Randeep Hooda. Both were sitting on the car, and in fact, the people were welcomed her. And even after that, she got clicked with Bhupender Singh Hooda's entire family at his residence, and in fact that photograph has been put out in the public domain also. And now after that, Vinesh Fogart met Kisan leaders who already staging the protest against the BJP government, and in fact she has joined the protest. She raised the voice, and even she did not clear that either she is going to contest the elections or not. And now the photograph with Rahul Gandhi, these are the indication. If we just connect the dots, it is clear-cut indicated that these wrestlers are having the inclination towards the Congress party. And former Chief Minister of Haryana and now Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has also just analyzed the situation, and that is the reason he given this statement that the protest of the wrestlers were quite motivated from the Congress party, just because there is everybody knows that Haryana is heading towards the polls, and this protest might create an anti-incumbency wave in the state of Haryana against the BJP government.
The wrestlers' protest to the upcoming state assembly elections in Haryana, as far as calling them as politically motivated. Thank you very much for the moment, Amandeep, for joining in. Remains to be seen if there is any confirmation on part of the Congress or when it comes to the wrestlers if they will be contesting the upcoming elections. With that, we head into a short break.